Hey YouTubers. I don't know about you guys, but we've got a lot of iPads in our household and we use them quite a bit. And about a year ago or so, I bought us a pair of Apple Pencils and really like using them a lot, much more than I thought I would. But after using the pencil on the iPad for about a year, it felt like it was kind of dragging and I felt like I was scratching the screen. And so I discovered they make replacement tips. And I decided to go ahead and get the genuine Apple tips. There are off brands you can get that are cheaper, but 4 of these tips are 20 bucks, which is not cheap. But I got the tips and we put the new tips on the pencils and they were awesome for a few months. And then it went back to feeling like it was dragging, like the tip was wearing on the glass or something. And so I tried a couple of different things. I've been trying to, get it where it feels like it was smooth, and nothing I tried really worked that well. So, it just still feels like it's dragging and scratching. So what I discovered was, first of all, cleaning the surface of the glass on the iPad helps. And I like the Rain-X products a lot, so I got some of the Rain-X glass cleaner, put a little bit of that on a microfiber towel, and clean the screen, and that certainly helps. Gets the screen nice and clean, and for a few minutes it will help make the pencil feel like it's gliding nice and smooth. But eventually, after a few hours of use, it goes back to feeling kind of gritty again. So I thought, let me put the real Rain-X windshield protectant on here. And the pump on this spray bottle doesn't work, so I'm just going to do it this way. All you need is just a couple of good sized drops. That's all it takes. And you can just, I'm going to turn this app off here, you can just kind of smear it around on the glass with your fingers. You can use a towel if you like, but this works too. And just make sure you get everywhere and go over it a couple of times. Buff off the excess with a microfiber towel. Make sure I get all the corners here. And now, boy, this thing just glides just as smooth as can be. I mean, it is nice. And I don't know how long this will last, but it only takes a moment and it's cheap. I mean, a bottle like this, if all you did was put it on your iPad, this would last you a lifetime. So if you feel like your pencil's dragging before you go out and buy new tips, try putting a little Rain-X on your glass. You could save yourself a good deal of money.